So today we will be discussing about DAX function, DAX. The full form of it is data analysis expression. Okay. So I'm taking the data modeling tables itself, like customers, product category, product subcategory, returns, sales, those kind of things I'm taking. And the table you can see, like D customer means customer data. What is their name? What is their birth date? Email address, annual income, those kind of things. Okay. And next is regarding product categories. How many categories of products are there? Like bikes, component, clothing, accessories. In Yoshops, actually, in Yoshop website, here you can see these are some of the categories. Okay, like toys and games, mobile, laptops, accessories, electronics. These are some of the categories of things available in at this particular company. Okay, and what is coming inside it, like what is in the drop down of those categories are actually the subcategories like this. Okay. Similarly, in product subcategories, you can see like in bikes, mountain bikes, road bikes, touring bikes, they are coming. Okay. Wait a second. Okay. And these are some products that is available in this particular company. And this data set is regarding the sales of the company, what product was sold out and it was purchased by which person, how much quantity was there, those kind of things. Okay. Customer key will show the key of the customer. Product key will show which particular item. This is a territory key and order item name num. Okay, and this is regarding order quantity. Similarly, in case of returns also, what product was returned, those kind of data is there. Right. Now, if we want to use some of the functions, like in case of customer table, if we want a particular column in which the person is single. See, marital status is S&M. That means married and single. Okay. And his or her education level is bachelor's, for example. If we want those kind of people, so we can make a new column. Okay. Sorry. So let's take a new column and we will be using if condition over there. Okay. So you can give any name to the column. Single, bachelor. Okay. Okay, and here we will write if we are using if condition and we will put two conditions within it. Okay, if statement within which we can put two conditions and what should be the result corresponding to it that we can put. Okay, so let us take two conditions. We can put multiple conditions also. Okay, based on the thing whether we want two condition to be satisfied or any one condition is enough. Based on that, we should put a connector between them, that is and or. Okay, so next is our condition was like if marital status is single, right? So MAR, we should put it in a bracket for more clarity, is equal to within double quotes. We have to write S, correct? That means the person is single. Okay, this is one condition. And next condition, we should write, but before that, we should decide what connector we want. If we want both condition to be satisfied, then you have to put and symbol that is double ampersand. Okay, and next condition we can write over there. here error will come because somehow it got executed. But when the expression will be complete, that error will go. Okay. Here, I'm taking the next thing, that is education level, right? EDU. When you will, what was the thing? Education level, right? Okay. When you will write a few letters of it, then itself that particular column will occur. This is the table name, D customer, and this is the column name. Is equal to, you have to write like bachelor's, right? You have to write it completely. Okay. All right. And then if both conditions are met, then if we want a yes to be shown in the column, then write simply yes. Okay. And if the two conditions are not satisfied and we want a no there, then we should write like this. Okay. Is it clear, all of you? If condition within that two, if statement within that two conditions, whatever we want. If we want both condition to be satisfied, put double ampersand. If any two condition needed to be satisfied, then you should put double pipe. That I will show you next. Okay. Then if both conditions are satisfied, then yes should come. If any of the condition is not satisfied, or if both are not satisfied, no should come. Okay. Then press the enter or this tick mark, anyone. Okay. So in this column, you can see over here, the person is single and education level is bachelor. That's why yes is coming. Okay. And when you will scroll down here, you can find no. And corresponding to it, one condition is satisfied. That is education level is bachelor's, but the person is married. Okay. And regarding this condition, okay. Regarding this condition, yes is there, correct. And let us check out other conditions also. Okay. If any one condition is not satisfied, then no will come. If both are satisfied, then only yes will come. Okay. So here the person is single. This is one condition is satisfied, but the education level is partial college. Okay. So that's why no is coming. Sometimes both conditions are not satisfied, like married, marital status is married and education level is partial, then no is coming. Is it clear, all of you? What is the concept behind it? Is it clear, everyone?
Ma'am, define the code.
Yeah.
Just write your code. You just write the single dash new column code. Can you please define
column import?
yes, ये जो आपने अभी वो ऊपर का कोड लिखा एंड करके,
हाँ
वही उसको एरो, तो वो डिफाइन कर सकते क्या?
दिस इज एंड कंडीशन. ये एंड है, मतलब दोनों आपका सेटिस्फाइड होगा तभी यस आएगा, नहीं तो नो आएगा. ओके. अगर आप यहाँ पे डबल पाइप डालते तो इसका मतलब है और, इसका मतलब कोई भी एक कंडीशन अगर सेटिस्फाई हो जाता है तो यस आ जाएगा. ठीक है. क्लियर. ओके.
यस मैम, थैंक यू.
देन ये जो टिक मार्क है वो आपको जस्ट क्लिक करना या फिर यहाँ पे एंटर एक बार प्रेस कर देना, तो वो अपडेट हो जाएगा उसी हिसाब से. तो यहाँ पे आप देखिए, यहाँ पे ये कंडीशन सेटिस्फाइड है और ये कंडीशन भी सेटिस्फाइड है, तो यस आ रहा है. ओके. अगर किसी में मतलब कोई एक कंडीशन भी सेटिस्फाइड हो जाती है तब भी यस आएगा. जैसे कि यहाँ पे यस आ रहा है. ठीक है. आप यहाँ पे देखिए एजुकेशन लेवल हाई स्कूल है. It is not bachelor's, it is high school. So it is not satisfied. But the person is single. At least one condition is satisfied. That's why yes is coming. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is regarding if condition. Okay. Next thing is from the date, you can extract year, month, everything. Okay. So regarding this, I will show you. See, first, sometimes we need the age of the customers. Okay, it is very important to decide which product we should sell. Based on their age, we will, actually sell those kind of items most probably. If majority of customers are teenagers, then we will actually sell the products that is favorable to, that they like. Okay, if most of them are old in age, then we will sell the products that is appropriate for them. Right. So age is a important factor. So here birth date is given, but age is not there. We can extract age out of it. So for that year of age, we can extract, like by finding the year of their birth, we can actually find out their age. So first of all, we need to know that what is current year, right? So I'm taking a new column and there I will tell you that how to find current date. From the current date, we can extract current year. And from the birth year, we can extract their birth date, we can extract their birth year, and we can subtract those two things. Okay. So first of all, I'm writing CUR. And here I'm writing today. Today means it will show you the current date. What is today's date? It will show you that thing. Okay. So when I'm pressing enter, it is showing you today's date. It is a long date. Okay. You can change the format also if you want. Like you can make it as a short date. Okay. So it will get updated. Today is 19th December 2022. Right. So this is today's date. If you want today's, what is the year? What is the current year? So in that case, you have to put an year functioning. This entire today should come within an year function like this, I will tell you. Year, okay? So it will give you 2022. Instead of year, if you're, see here 2022 is coming. Instead of year, if you're putting month will come. That is 12 will come, okay? So right now we need only year. Similarly, we can find out the hour of, if we are having time column also with us, we can find hour, minutes, and seconds. Okay. See, I will show you a few things like DAX. Okay. This is that particular link where you can go through and you can find different DAX functions of Microsoft. This is the page designed by Microsoft itself. And we are actually talking about date and time functions. And actually, I told you right now regarding year, this function, okay? You can try out all those, this function also I told you. So you can try out other functions also, okay? Hour is there, through which you can extract the hour, minute, okay? Those kind of things you can try out. I will post this particular link in the chat box. You can copy it, you can paste it somewhere and you can try out later. Okay. So go through this link and explore more functions in DAX. So right now we found current year. Now if we want birth year of our customers, we have to take a new column. Okay. Step by step, I am telling you everything you can put it in the single column also. But since you are new to it, I will tell you step by step. Okay. So birth year. Here we need birth. The column name I am mentioning it as birth year and is equal to what function we should use to find the year. All of you, please tell me. What is the function? My voice is audible, everyone?
Ma'am, year.
Year, correct. And there you have to put birth. date. Okay, birth date. Okay. Then close the bracket and enter. Okay. When you will do enter, you can see that their birth year is coming, right? 1964, 1963, 74, like that. Okay. So when you will subtract this two things, you can find the rough age of those people, right? Simply subtract this two column. Okay. You can do everything in the single column also. So here you can write like age. Okay. Age is equal to what you can write is the first column, that is current year, CUR, okay, D customer CUR minus then birth year, right? When I will write BIR, then itself that two columns will come. We need birth year only and press enter. So it will show you the age of the person. Okay. So this is a date and time, kind of DAX functions. Now let us go through another DAX function, that is actually finding out, shortening a particular word can be done with the help of this particular DAX function. Okay, I will take the notepad and I will try to explain that thing. See, January, we all know, January can be written as Jan, right? And February, we can write as Feb. March, we can write as Mar. April, we can write as APR, right? So we are taking first three letters of each and every month, right? Universally, it is acceptable. If we are saying that thing, it is understood by everyone throughout this world, right? So such kind of, short forms are there, which everybody use, right? So in our dashboard, if we are having many graph together, sometimes we need to shorten our, the string values, strings, whichever is there, okay, which is understood by everyone. So if somehow we can shorten it, it will make our dashboard look good. If some words are very lengthy, it will make our dashboard clumsy. So in order to implement that thing, actually you can use left function. Left function is actually used to extract some letters from the left of a particular word. Okay, so I will take a new column. Here January, February is not there, but we will try to shorten this particular column. Like for professional, we can write PROF, okay? It is not the exact short form, but for example, I am telling you this thing, okay? So in place of occupation, I will simply write it as OCC, and I'm shortening this, entities within occupation completely and it is compressed to first four letters of the word, okay? So in that case, first of all, I will put the function that is left, okay, left. And which column? It is occupation, right? So OCC. And I'm going to take the first three, it's not first three, first four is okay. First four letters of this particular column entity, okay? So when I will press enter, here you can see in place of professional, prof is written, okay? What are the unique entities within it are clerical, management, manual, professional, skilled, manual. And in this particular column, the four letters of those things are written like CLER, MANA means management, CLER means clerical, MANU manual, PROF professional, SKIL skill. This is an example. It is not the universally understood short form, but sometimes in case of month and all where it is applicable, we can use it. Is it clear all of you? How to shorten a particular word? Right? Clear, right, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this we can use it in another way also, a little bit more complicated way. Like in case of email address, you can see if somehow in this particular customer list, if first, before at whatever is coming, if that is the user ID of the customer, So in that case, in order to extract the user ID, we can see that they are having different length. So if we are putting 5, 4, 6 like that, we can't extract it completely because their length is varying in each case. Here, Ruben is having a length of 6. Shannon is having a length of 9, I guess. Okay. So their lengths are varying in at different place. I mean, in different cells, length is different. User ID length is different. So in that case, if we want to extract it, we can use left with search. Okay, I will tell you how. So I'm taking a new column. Now, what I want is user ID out of email address. Okay. So let us take new column. It's not coming. Okay. Now I want email user ID out of email address. I will name it as user ID only. User ID. Okay. Is equal to username. That is more appropriate. Username is equal to. Now what I will do, I will use the same left function with little bit modification. Okay. I'm using the same left function. And here I should take care that what is the column. It is email address, right? First of all, write email address. Okay. As we did in case of occupation, first of all, we need to write the column name. Then we have to find the integer. Integer place is varying everywhere. So we have to use search in order to search the position of at, which is actually a symbol which is differentiating the username with the company, I mean, adventureworks.com. Okay, at is in between those two things. So we will search for at. We have to mention the symbol over here, at, okay. And then we have to mention from which column, in which column this at is present, okay. So then you have to write comma. Okay, here you have to write comma and there you have to mention the same column, okay, email address. Okay, then you have to close it, right? Once again, you need to close it because here also, I mean, this is its closing bracket. Now one more bracket is required for this one. Okay, now press enter. It will show you username with an @ symbol because we are counting the @ symbol also in search. Okay, search will actually give you an integer value only. Okay, for example, if I'm copying this search and I am putting it in a new column, it will show you some numbers. It will show you the position of at. Okay, like if I am writing position. Okay, for example, for your understanding only, I'm telling you this thing. Okay. If I'm putting this search over there, okay, it will show you some numerical numbers. Okay, 10 means the number, this many letters are actually 10 in number. You understood my point, all of you? Actually, what we are doing is, we are extracting the letters up, I mean, position of at in all cases. With the help of search, we are extracting the position of at. That is numerical number. Okay, like this. But we don't need this set with the username. Okay, so in that case, what we should do is we should subtract it from, I mean, one should be subtracted from it. Okay, enter. So it will not take it. It will take only the values that was before it. Here also, if you are putting -1, na? -1, 10 will become 9. That is the only thing. That is the only logic behind it. Okay, 10 will become 9, 8 will become 7 like that. Is it clear, all of you, how I extracted username? Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is how you can do, or you can use, I mean, you can split it with the help of delimiter also, that you can try. If you are finding any difficulty, I will help you in that case. Okay, now next thing is switch condition. Okay, we are having very less time left. So within that, I want to finish it. Okay. See, our product category is having bikes, component, clothing, and accessories, and its keys are 1, 2, 3, 4. And in subcategory, the keys mentioned like mountain bikes, road bikes, touring bike, they all belong to bike. The key is mentioned, but the category name is not there. If we want a new category name, so in that case, I will take a new column and actually I will mention everything, okay, with the help of switch statement. Okay, so here I'm writing category and there I will mention switch. Okay, it will switch a particular value to another value. Okay, actually this is the deciding factor which shows the category like 111 for bikes, 222 for components, 3334 for clothings, and 4 for accessories. So this column is the deciding factor. So I will place the name of this column, that is product category key, right? Product category key. Then I have to mention 1 means bike. Okay. Bikes. Okay. And then I have to mention comma 2 means what? Components. Okay. Then I have to mention 3 means clothings. Okay. Clothings. Then I have to mention 4 means accessories. Okay, clear. Then I have to press enter. Okay, then wherever 1 was there, bikes will come. Wherever 2 was there, components will come. Wherever 3 was there, clothings will come. Wherever 4 was there, accessories will come. Is it clear to all of you? Clear, everyone? Why switch is used? It's clear, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You try out this thing for different other whatever data set you are having with or any other data set where you can do this kind of things. Okay. You can actually scrape the data of our Yoshop website and you can try out the same thing over there. Okay. I hope the class is clear to all of you. This is a small description of DAX functions. Actually, it is a huge thing. You can go through this website and you can find more things about it. Okay. Lot of things are there, like weekdays also it is showing you. Weekdays, week number. Okay, many functions are there. You can try out there. So shall I wind up the class? Is it clear, everyone? You can try out, right? Rest of the things. This is your last class of the basic session. Now onwards, Friday, Saturday, you will get some extra classes. That will be handled by sir itself. I mean, whoever is in the morning batch, you can join